Alright, how's it going? Quick video today, not too much to explain. Finished first project in the shed, and damn did it feel good. Shed was definitely not ready, but it was good to make something. Made a quick chopping board for my mate. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I went and grabbed some rough lumber from the local sawmill place. Yeah, planed it up, sanded it up, glued it up. Added a bit at the front. Didn't do anything too crazy, so won't explain all of it, but yeah, here you go. Did I forget how much fucking work hand planing is? Getting there.